What's going on, YouTube? Back here with another video. And I had ordered some exhaust pipes, or an actual bag exhaust from eBay for my Lexus over there. So I don't know when I'm gonna get this installed. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but I was just waiting on some stuff to come in to, enhance the drive. So we're gonna see how long this take, when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, YouTube. It's been like some hours since the last clip. I ain't even do a POV yet. We're gonna do a POV probably tonight. I'm finna go bowling by myself. So a little POV drive with the new muffler delete. I ain't done a cold start yet because I just put these hose on. And yeah, we're gonna do a cold start once my brother get here. But they finally on. It looks so much better. Quad tips. Can't wait to hear this hoe. But it took me hours to get it off. It really wasn't too bad getting it on, but shit.
Alright, John, so my phone ran out of storage. Classic. Y'all know that from my first couple of videos, my phone ran out of storage, but yeah, but it sounds so good. Like, you can feel it in the seat and everything. Like, oh yeah.
Yeah, I've been waiting to do that with the paddle shifters. Yeah. Ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah. Yeah.
For sure.
Nah, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this do it for sure. Dang, I gotta.
Wish you would have drove the Mero today, huh?
Yeah, it's all good though. I'm just driving my Hyundai for a little bit until it's time for me to get my oil changed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start back driving the Mero.
Ain't even a lot of gas prices going up too, so.
Facts. That's why I just filled up my car yesterday, my Hyundai, for 30.
30?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
I put 35 in the Mero on the way back. They ain't do nothing.
They ain't do nothing.
So yeah, I'm gonna be driving the Hyundai for a little bit. Trust me, y'all. Them gas prices out here in Tennessee, no joke.
Damn near come to Murfreesboro to get some cheaper gas, because I already know out there.
Well, you know what I forgot to do though? I forgot to drive under a tunnel.
Yeah, I don't know where a good tunnel is. I want to hear that, man.
I don't know where one is out this way. I know about me, I got the airport, that long tunnel by the airport.
Right.
I don't know about out here. The only ones I know is just like the little bridges over the interstate.
Somebody calling?
I guess so. But yeah, we finna keep driving for a little bit, and then we'll pick the camera back up. You know what I'm saying? We doing something interesting.
Yeah, it's breathing.
Yeah.
That's what it needed. I ain't even gonna lie, whenever I took off the old ones, them bitches, the weight comparison, I was like, damn, a bit heavy.
It was heavy. It's because it had that muffler on there.
I'm telling you.
Matter of fact, we just gonna keep recording while we get on the interstate. Them downshift sounds so crazy.
So crazy. I gotta get used to the paddle switches now. I was literally waiting for this.
For the down pipes?
Yeah. And then that idle.
Oh yeah.
Attention please. Please stand down.
against that wall. That sounds too good.
I'm up here somewhere, boy.
Hey, if y'all got a fast car, please get a radar. Unless you just got ticket money and ready to run.
Ready. But if you ain't like that,
yeah, get a radar.
Get a radar,
please. Cause I ain't had one cause I bought my whip in Bama. On the way back, I definitely almost got pulled over. I'm not gonna lie, definitely did. So make sure y'all get y'all a radar.
Shifts is just, if I had the 8-speed, because I got the all-wheel drive, if I had the 8-speed, that bitch would be right.
Yeah.
Just singing through them gears.
And we're going to speed limit, by the way. It just sounds.
It sounds, you know.
Yeah. We're definitely going to speed limit.
You know,
this bitch sound good.
it sounds like it's deep. It's not. It's nothing too crazy. It's not no rasp. I was watching a lot of videos on like muffler deletes and shit, and a lot of people were saying it's deep. You shouldn't be too much rasp like a G or anything.
Yeah.
So.
Nah, I can see the resemblance. Like,
yeah,
it does sound like a G a little bit, but not for real. Look at this. I'm telling you, all through Nashville. I got some bang.
Yeah, that's the one thing.
That's why.
If you're gonna have a regular car, at least get some a sound system or something.
Yeah.
Hence,
gotta have them 212s in there. Ooh, damn shit. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Get a tune on here.
A tune? We'll go.
It go. And see, I'm glad the stock SS does it. It pops.
See, you got the pops regular.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is put in like track mode, right?
So you're doing it in touring mode too.
For real?
Yeah, it's really the loudest in like sport. The track, it's not that loud, but. Yeah, that's it's probably gonna be the end of my video. I don't know how long his video gonna be.
It's probably gonna be in the end of mine too, guys.
Yeah, so
I might do a POV later. I don't know.
He might do a POV later. I'm probably just gonna leave my car sitting in the driveway for a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna leave the Camaro sitting for a little bit.
Perfect cold start.
I got y'all cold start, POV drive to work, POV drive home from work, and then me and him gonna link up and do some cruising through the city, car wash cruising. So that's gonna be the next video y'all see from me. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm gonna keep the bangers coming for y'all. Man, we out.
That's for sure. For sure what I needed. What's going on, YouTube? Back here with another POV. This should be from earlier. We just putting 2 videos together. This is a POV drive with the muffler delete. good. Like, very good. Roll the windows up a little bit. Oh, that wind noise is annoying. Just a little calm POV. Sounds amazing. Really wakes the car up for sure. If y'all remember watching the channel from earlier, I used to have a muffler delete on my Altima, so I definitely missed some sound. Fuck it, we're gonna put this bitch in sports mode, hit it right here.
Highway mode. Attention please, GA down.
See? That's why you need one of them.
Attention please, GA down.
And it's back quiet. This should definitely make the POVs way more interesting. Gotta clean my windshield. Shit, dirty. Just got a clear on it. Bruh, why are you trying to get over? right across the house. It does drone a little bit, but I'm not, bro. I don't really care about drone, bro. It is what it is. Might get some 5 resonators or something, but that's later on in the future. You know, this is the first few steps. I'm cool with the sound right now. I'm used to drone. Like I said, I used to drive a muffler delete Ultima. This fucking sunroof. Get y'all some downshifts. That's gonna conclude today's little POV install of my muffler delete.